Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing, I'm going to say again, our Allure beauty box. For those of you who have been around for a while, you know, we did Allure back in the day before it became a full-size box, okay? But nonetheless, now you did see a previous unboxing a couple days back, but that one was for the end of March, which they sent me, and now April. Okay, so let's just go ahead and check it out and see what's inside. Now, when we open the box, of course, on the top, well, you can't really see what's in there because of their mag that's on the front. It says, "We know beauty best." Allure has been a touchstone in the beauty industry for more than 30 years. We literally invented beauty journalism back when the first issue of Allure was published, and we've been critically evaluating beauty products and their ingredients list ever since. Okay, says, hope you love this box as much as we do. Okay, now I told you they do have their little magazine on the inside. Okay, not to be confused with the magazine on the stand. This one is just about the products that are in the box. Okay, so we're going to jump right in, and all the information, if you would like to sign up for it, will be down below. So they're starting off with a bang. Okay, the very first item that we have in the box is by Charlotte Tilbury, and it says beautiful skin where science and color combine. Okay, so it says this is the beautiful skin sun-kissed glow bronzer. And it says makeup artist Charlotte Tilbury is a master of sexy bronze looks, and this creamy bronzer is one of her 4 beachy shades, is exactly what you'd expect from the Tilbury brand. It gives skin a warm glow that's believable and sultry, the kind of summery radiance you'd get poolside, wearing SPF of course, and leaves your skin softer by way of hydrating hyaluronic acid. All right, now this one is a 0.74 ounce size, and the retail value is $58. Now this is the outer packaging, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. And it says it boosts hydration by 136% in just 1 hour. Skin appears smoother by 42%, and it's humidity proof, sweat proof, and lightly buff onto your skin and blend with the beautiful skin bronzing brush for an all over sun-kissed glow. All right, now the shade that I have is number 3 tan, and that's it right there. Okay, we'll open up the box in just a minute so you can see. This one has a 24-month shelf life. Yes, so you're gonna get a couple summers out of it. Okay, so it does have a mirror, so I need to cover it for you. I don't want to hurt anybody's eyes or anything like that, but this is tan 3. Okay, hopefully the camera is doing it justice, but I think it might be a little dark, but we'll just have to use a light hand for it. Okay, so that is item number 1. Okay, then moving right along to the next item. This one is very interesting. Okay, is by Grand Cosmetics, and this one is the Lash Enhancing Serum. And it says this lash serum, which contains vitamins, peptides, and amino acids, is easy to paint along your lash line. The brand claims its serum can help lashes look longer and thicker in 1 to 3 months. Okay, I'm here for that. Okay, now this one is, of course, a full size, and it's 2 milliliters, and the retail price for it is $68. Okay, now that, of course, is what the outside packaging looks like. This is what the inside packaging looks like, and it says longer, thicker lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. That's a month to a month and a half. Okay. 91% saw longer looking lashes, 94% saw healthier looking lashes. Okay, this is a 3-month supply. Okay, that may be the reason why they said that. However, this is a 3-month supply. Okay, let's see what kind of shelf life we have here. Okay, it says on the packaging that it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, y'all, we're here for it. Here for it. I don't know anybody who does not necessarily want longer, fuller lashes, because if that were not the case, we would not, or companies would not be selling so many false lashes, right? Just saying. Okay, so moving right along, the next item that we have is by Rosie Jane. Okay, and is this one? My apologies, but of course the writing is white on a light background. Okay, but it says this one is the Missy Perfume Oil. And it says this summery blend of mandarin and coconut is reminiscent of a warm, relaxing day at the beach. Well, that seems to be the theme in this box. Okay, and it says when by sunset your skin is scented with sunscreen and the salt of the ocean. This perfume in a rollerball easily fits into handbags, even an evening clutch, which makes it the perfect pick me up for any time and anywhere. Now, this one that we have is a deluxe sample, but if you were to purchase the full size, it would be 7 milliliters, and the retail value would be $45. Now, in the Allure box with everything, not just this one, okay, so take it for the ones that I've already done and for the ones that come after, there is a coupon code in the magazine, okay, and it will give you up to 20% off depending on the brand on these items, okay? So now that we've seen the outer packaging, this is what the inside packaging looks like right here. Okay, so this particular coupon code lasts through July. Okay, all right, so now I know that we swatch our items at the end, but does this count? Because this one is a perfume or a perfumed oil. But I tell you what I will do. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. That will give it time to dry down. Okay, and then we can see what it will smell like then. Okay, so I just put a little right here, and we'll get back to that in just a little bit. Okay, we're going to keep going. So the next item that we have is called Bag Balm Moisturizing Lip Balm. And it says the original Bag Balm salve is a cult classic beauty product. It was created 125 years ago. And it was done on a farm in Vermont and is still made in the Green Mountain State to this day. Okay. The brand's 4 ingredient lip balm is as soothing as it is long beloved, all purpose balm, and hydrates without feeling greasy or sticky. Now, this is a 0.3 ounce size, and the retail price for it is $5.99. Now, this one too has a coupon in the mag, and it expires on my birthday. The last day of 2024. Okay, December 31st. Okay, now I do not necessarily see an expiration date, but it does tell me that it is fragrance free. Okay. Now, this is one product that we won't be opening only because I have several of them, and because I don't know what the expiration date is going to be, um, I'll just have to wait, until I'm finished with the ones that I have, or until one of my people that I, trust to check out some items calls me and say, you know what, I saw this on your page. Can I try that out for you? And then we'll just work with that, okay? All right, so let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. So we have another product. This one is another travel size or sample size, and this one is the Caresta Soin Acid Chroma Gloss. Okay, this in-shower at-home gloss can extend your hair color. It's like popping into a salon when your hair looks dull. One editor says my color looks vibrant when I treat it with this gloss, and I've seen a significant reduction in frizz also. Can you see that? I want you to get a good look at it so you know exactly what you want me to take it out the paper or off of this backing so you can see it a little better. Okay, it's this one right here. Okay, and if you were to purchase the full size, it would be 210 milliliters and the price would be $58. Now, this one says you only have to leave it in for a minute or two and then rinse it out. And you're talking about a boost in the shine and gloss of your hair color. Okay, I'm willing to try that out. All right, moving right on. Well, let's see. Did this one have? Yes, it has a 12-month expiration, okay? Or shelf life. All right, we have one more product. And this one is the Fruta Green Grape Pore Control Cream. Okay. And this one is a deluxe sample as well. And it says a unique K-Beauty Sherbet Moisturizer. This turns watery and cools as you rub it in, making it fun to apply. It's lightweight despite its name. It's not really a cream, but creates a barrier over your usual serum to help seal in moisture. Okay, that's very interesting. So the regular size is a 1.94 ounce size, and the retail price would be $24.10. Okay, now they do have a promo code. It says receive 35% off on their products. Okay, now this coupon code lasts you until the end of April of this year. So if this is something that you may want to try out, uh, you don't have very long to do so. Well, you have however long you want, but in order to use the code, you don't have very long. Okay, so I'm going to take it out of the box so you can see exactly what it looks like. Okay, it's a little tiny jar, but if you're just putting a small amount on your skin, it should last you a while. So I would suggest if you try it and you like it, I mean really like it, then go ahead and order it. Save yourself 35% right off the bat, okay? And then put it away until you're finished this one, okay? Or just use this one for when you're going on vacation or staycation or taking a trip, okay? Now, this one has a 12-month shelf life, and you can purchase it on Amazon. How about that? It can be purchased on Amazon, all right? And it is a vegan product. Okay, it's a cute little jar to say the least. Okay, so that is the last actual item. We do have a little bonus piece that they threw in, and this one says it's a special gift for you. I guess my daughter will be snatching this one, and it's a $100 wine voucher. Okay, and it says claim within 30 days, and it includes delivery. It's got a code and a password, and the brand is nakedwines.com. Okay. This is pretty amazing. Now, I don't drink alcohol, so, but this says get $100 off any case of wine priced at $160. That's not bad at all. Okay, so tell me your thoughts. Tell me your thoughts. Okay, I'm getting ready to swatch this bronzer. Okay. Okay, I have a Kevyn Aucoin foundation balm brush. Okay, it's this one right here. So we're going to use this and test it out. Okay, just a little. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I like it. Definitely like it. All righty. Well, well, well. Let's see. And it doesn't really have a strong scent or anything like that, of which I'm glad about. Okay, so what do you think? Tell me what your thoughts are with regards to this month's Allure beauty box. I'm very impressed. Even though I was before, I just had a little bit of an issue going from such a small package to a large one so quickly with such a jump in price. But I see now it really was worth it, you know, to do, or I believe it was. All right, so the other thing we're going to do is just check the dry down. Very, very beachy. Yeah, it does smell like you've been out in the sun, you know, at the beach kind of thing. Okay, moving right along. So, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our April Allure Beauty Box. And these are the items that were enclosed. Okay, tell me your honest opinion, what you think. If you are one of those who has used any of these products, please let us know down below. Let me know if you would subscribe or if you have already subscribed, what you think about it, okay? But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and become a part of the Season Beauties family. You know we'd be glad to have you over here, okay? But most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.